Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate Hey Google option into Oppo A96. Firstly, open your Google application, this one. Then in the top right corner we got our Google account icon, so tap it and choose settings. Next up, go into voice option and here choose voice match. And now activate here Hey Google by tapping on the switcher. Now give access to your assistant, tap next and agree to voice match, I agree. And now, how you can see, Hey Google is ready to use, press continue. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.